Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Now we'll begin with English class. Today we'll learn alphabets. Now tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters in alphabets. Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly, don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hey my lovely kids, how are you doing? I'm sure you are doing great. Now be ready with your English file, English book and notebook. Now open your English file and open page number 4444. Have you all opened your page number 44? On this page, we are going to recognize the picture and revise the sound of double O, OI and U with magic E. Now sit properly with your back straight and tell me which picture is this? Yes, it's a fuse. Fuse. Now hold your pencil like this and write it down. Fuse. F-U-S-E, fuse. F-U-S-E, fuse. Done? Now come to the next picture. What is happening here? The water is boiling. So write boil. 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 B-O-I-L, boil. Done? What is this? Yes, it's a boot. Now write down. Boot. B-double-O-T, boot. Boot. B-double-O-T, boot. Done? Now this is fume. 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 F-U-M-E, fume. F-U-M-E, fume. Done? Now come to the next picture. Yes, it's a moon. Write it down. Moon. M-double-O-N, moon. M-double-O-N, moon. Done? Now come to the next picture. What is this? Yes, it's a stool. Listen to the sound carefully. Stool. S-T-O-O-L, stool. S-T-O-O-L, stool. All of you have written? What is this? Yes, it's a cube. Write it down. Cube. C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Done? Come to the next picture. Toil. T-oil. Toil. T-oil. Toil. T-O-I-L. Toil. All of you have completed the column. Now come to the next column. What is this? Yes, it's a spoon. Now listen to the sounds carefully. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Done? What are these? Yes, these are balloons. So we will write balloon. B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. Done? What is this? Wool. Wool. W-O-O-L, wool. W-O-O-L, wool. All of you have completed your work till here? Now which picture is this? Yes, it's a glue. Glue. G-L-U-E, glue. G-L-U-E, glue. Done? Now this is coil. Listen to the sound carefully. C-O-I-L, coil. C-O-I-L, coil. Coil. Done? Now next is flute. Listen to the sound carefully. U-T. If we are saying U, we have to put magic E. Flute, flute. F-L-U-T-E, flute. Done? Now next is plume. Plume. P-L-U-M-E, plume. P-L-U-M-E, plume. Done? Now the last one is tube. Tube. T-U-B-E, tube. T-U-B-E, tube. Done? All of you have completed? Now what you have to do? You have to revise these words again For more perfection, now take out your English book and your English notebook. Now have you taken out your book and English notebook? Yes. Open page number 1313 of your book and a blank page of your English notebook. We are going to jot down these words here in your notebook. Hold your pencil like this. First of all, read the word from here. Dew. Dew. D-U-E, dew. D-U-Dew. D-U-E, dew. Done. Now read the next word. You. Write it down in your notebook. You. H-U-E, you. H-U-E, you. Now read the next word. Sue. Jot down. Sue. S-U-E, Sue. S-U-E, Sue. Done. Now come to the next column. Read true. Jot down in your notebook. True. T-R-U-E, true. True. T-R-U-E, true. All of you have written? Shall we move forward? Yes. Now read the next word. Glue. Glue. G-L-U-E, glue. G-L-U-E, glue. Read the next word. Blue. Now write down in your notebook. Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Speak and write, children. Done. Come to the next column and read Jute. Now we have to write it down in a notebook. Jute. J-U-T-E, jute. J-U-T-E, jute. Done. Now read the next word. Mute. Write in your notebook. Mute. M-U-T-E, mute. M-U-T-E, mute. Done. Read the next word. Cute. Now jot it down in your notebook. Cute. C-U-T-E, cute. Done. Now come to the next column. Flute. Now what you have to do? Yes, write down in your notebook. Flute. F-L-U-T-E, flute. F-L-U-T-E, flute. Now all of you have completed your work. Now listen carefully. You will practice these words in the next column, and when you complete the page, click the photograph and send it on the WhatsApp group. Have a nice day.